Good evening, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Stars Meet Heroes. This is a special one because we have our young heroes who are resident, who are intern doctors, they're the youngest doctors that we have right now, and we've thrown them in the COVID war. And to talk to them, we have none other than Mr. Ashish Vidyarthi. We know that he's an excellent actor. We've loved him in his 200 movies that he's appeared in. He's done movies and dramas and TV in 11 languages, and he's also the founder of Ashish Vidyarthi and Associates. And he has this huge insight into life and how everybody is the change that they want us to we want us to be. And he's going to tell us about that. So it's going to be a little serious, and it's also going to be a little fun. Mr. Vidyarthi, thank you so much for taking time out and speaking to our young doctors. I'm sure it's going to be a wonderful time with us. And not to take any more time away from you, take it away. It's your show now.
It's their show. Docs, I'm here for you. And let me tell you, very, very happy to be here amidst you all. Remember they say कि डॉक्टर से क्यों मिल रहे हो भाई, तो मैं यूं ही मिलने आया हूँ आप लोगों से. So यूं ही एक तरह से मिलने आया हूँ, और एक तरह से when Dr. Rukshada invited me over through a common friend, I said that I do not want to lose this opportunity because I have deep respect for what you people are up to, and especially when I heard that this is the lot that I'm going to be interacting with. I'm absolutely here. So whatever Dr. Rukshada has promised you that it's going to be serious, I promise you it will not be serious. So as long as you promise that you won't make it serious, I'm good with it. Yeah. Please, yeah. Sham ke wala bhi serious nahi.
No, we promised them a little bit of gyan. So a little bit of gyan and a lot of masti.
So हम लोग गपियाएंगे आज, all right? We will chat about it, all right? Okay. So please ask me or talk to me about whatever that you wish to, and then I want to tell you a lot of things about you guys. I'm like, this is for me. Okay, so is today a Friday by any chance? A Thursday?
Today's a Thursday.
Thursday, I'm talkative, huh? So you'll have to stop me from talking too much. And doctors, you know the symptoms. Thursday, मैं बहुत बात करता हूँ. Ask your questions and let's have a conversation, please.
So we're going to start with Faisal. He's going to say a hello and tell us a little bit about himself.
Faisal, over to you.
Hello, good evening, sir. Sir, I'm Faisal Khan. Right now, I am working in NESCO Jumbo COVID Center. It's supposedly the world's largest Jumbo COVID Center. And I've come here like around, in May 29th around. I still remember the date. It was actually a turnover because actually I belong to dental faculty. And coming up here, exploring what the things go on. But actually the condition is actually, very enlightening. And, somewhere it's like, I've got this thing. For what I'd actually come into health science field. When you look around what is happening in the world, and, I can do something, like you can do your bit towards society. So that's it.
Awesome. So it's very interesting. So what I'll do is I'll just kind of keep. So Faisal, what's, and yes. I'm speaking to all of you, the things that we really wish to do in life, yes. There comes a time in your life that it can be kind of, it either comes to you or it invites you into it. And that is one of the things that I've discovered in life. I mean, you have to keep asking for what really calls you. I promise you, it kind of comes up in very many different shapes. I very firmly believe in not stopping yourself from dreaming. Okay, now dreaming is, people think that dreaming is something that you do while you're asleep. I dream when I'm awake. In fact, I'll share a very interesting thing right at the beginning. Okay, it's a principle called 30-30-30-10. All right, so it's an interesting one. That's something which I use in myself and I share with people. So this is I set the ball rolling with that, and something which Faisal said. So it's going to. So consider for me, I I'll say recently is about 20 years back, I became a fan of, if you're 55, then 20 years is recent. Huh? आप में से कोई हैदराबाद का है? कोई हैदराबाद का है कोई? Anybody from Hyderabad?
नहीं सर
सर
No.
लेकिन मेरे
Okay, रुखसदा.
सर
So, I'll share.
मेरे एक्चुअली हेलो
Yeah.
सर एक्चुअली मेरे रिलेटिव्स काफी हैदराबाद, मेरा नेटिव प्लेस जो है वो भी मतलब हैदराबाद के पास जो निजामाबाद डिस्ट्रिक्ट है वहां पे, तो
तो फिर जो मैं बात बोल रहा हूँ ना, सुकून से सुनना, एकदम झालक तो हैदराबाद में ना पहली बार मैं सालों पहले गया. आई वाज डूइंग अ फिल्म कॉल्ड बाजी.
ओके
तो तकरीबन पहली फिल्म थी, इसमें ठीक ठाक सा रोल मिला था. तो शूटिंग खत्म हुई तो गाड़ी वाड़ी का तो कोई चांस ही नहीं था. वो मतलब ग्रुप 4-5 लोग मिलके ही शूटिंग में जाते थे. शूटिंग के बाद का तो सवाल ही नहीं था. तो एक ऑटो रिक्शा पकड़ा और लक्ष्मण राव जैसा एक नाम था, टिपिकल सा नाम था. मैंने उसको बोला, मैंने कहा भाई तुम मुझे हैदराबाद दिखाओ, और 2 चीजें मैंने बोली. एक तो मुझे हैदराबाद घुमाओ, उसके बाद हैदराबादी बिरयानी खाऊंगा,
बिरयानी
और सेकेंडली एक तेलुगु पिक्चर देखूंगा. ओके, तो दिस इज इन द व्हाट शुड आई से लेट 90s. तो बड़ा शौक, और उधर की फिल्में. मैंने कहा यार पिक्चर देखनी है, कैसा होता कैसे वहां, एकदम करियर शुरुआत है. तो उसने बहुत इंटरेस्टिंगली जो मीटर था ना, उसके ऊपर उसने कपड़ा बांध दिया. हमने कुछ ऐसा पैसा तय हुआ 100 रुपए या ऐसा कुछ. मैंने कहा 100 रुपए देख के पूरा घूमेंगे. मैंने कहा बट तुम मेरे साथ पिक्चर भी देखोगे और मेरे साथ बिरयानी भी खाओगे. बट अब हम लोग निकले. अब आई एम एक्साइटेड, अब अभी भी एक्साइटेड हूँ, तब और भी एक्साइटेड था. ऐसा देख रहा हूँ, अच्छा करते करते. सो वी पास्ड हुसैन सागर लेक. देयर इज अ लेक देयर, हुसैन सागर लेक, जिसमें बीच में ना गौतम बुद्ध का एक स्टैचू है. तो मैं जब उसको पार कर रहा था तो मैंने याद आया कि सालों पहले इंडिया टुडे, तब तब मैंने पढ़ा था कि वो लोग when they had taken the statue there, the boat had capsized and the statue had fallen in water. By the time we had reached, थोड़ा डार्क हो गया था. मैंने कहा ये कमाल है, ये वही स्टैचू है ना जो पानी में गिर गया था. तो और मैं सालों पहले की बात कर रहा हूँ, दिल्ली में मैंने पढ़ा था. तो मैंने कहा ये स्टैचू बाहर कब निकला? कहता है परसों निकला. व्हाट टाइमिंग मैन. मैं सालों पहले देखा, अभी परसों निकला. मैं मतलब आई एम सो एक्साइटेड. तब कोई सेल्फी वेल्फी और फोन का ही जमाना नहीं. मैंने कहा यार मैं अपने दोस्तों को बताऊंगा, दिस इज कॉल्ड अल्टीमेट टाइमिंग, कि मैं इतने सालों बाद हैदराबाद पहुंचा और अब परसों ही जो निकला. थोड़ी देर बाद हम लोग सालारजंग म्यूजियम के बाहर से निकले. ये देखिए साहब, इधर सालारजंग म्यूजियम. अच्छा. मैंने कहा यहीं पे वो ब्रिटिश भी थे. कहता हाँ परसों ही निकले वो लोग. तो तब पता चला हैदराबाद में एनीथिंग बिफोर यस्टरडे इज अ परसों. You know that. So the point here is that each language, each culture has got so many amazing things that come up, and in its if you look at it in its narrowness, ajeeb hai. But when you look at it in the vastness, what really inspires me is that somebody like me who always dreamt to travel a lot, dreamt to eat a lot, इसलिए overweight रहता हूँ हमेशा, and love to communicate a lot, so I'm discovering different ways to do it. So very powerful, Faisal, when you said that even though you come from a dentistry background,
Yes.
since you are interested in making a difference and saving lives, that's where you are. Fantastic. Who else?
Thank you very
Next.
much.
Wonderful, Faisal. So how we will do it is, जैसे ही एक जना खत्म करेगा, वो दूसरे को tag करेगा. All right. So the next person has to come in. All right. Whom are you tagging, Faisal? Who should go right after you?
Don't worry about it. I'm tagging. Saloni,
Okay,
you're up.
Yes. Good evening, sir.
Good
This
evening,
is Dr. Saloni Kaur. I'm an intern from Nair Hospital. It's a
Okay.
COVID-dedicated hospital in Mumbai. It's been 3 months that I'm serving in COVID duty. And I'm actually glad that I've got this responsibility. And I've got this opportunity to serve for the society.
Wow.
Right now, I'm doing work in Cheetah Camp. It's a COVID OPD sort of thing that we carry out. And I'm glad I got this opportunity to talk to you today.
Wonderful. And I'm very grateful for that you have joined, and each one of you have joined. It's an extraordinary feeling, my friends. Each one of you are at the forefront of what is happening in the world. We are all part of Generation Zero. The world didn't know of this. This is the ultimate equalizer. Anyone in the world, any doctor in the world, is at the same place as you are, and it's like even as things are happening in society and politics and economy, just imagine you're at the forefront of why some of us will be around. It's really extraordinary, the kind of and as it happens in life, one of the things that I really want you to get, um, a whole lot of things you will not get credit for. I want to really tell you this. This is something which you have to know right from the beginning, that there is many a times in life you will not get credit. And the thing that we do in spite of that, that is really something which makes us. Few of you will become very well known, very well known. Somebody will know you. Wow, you know that person, he did that. Remember, there will be few of you who probably people, you'll pass by and they will never ever forget what you did when you did. And that is something which is it brings you connected to yourself, own self-worth. I really want to thank you guys that, the stuff that you're doing on behalf of so many people, phenomenal. So really in deep appreciation of that.
Thank you.
Most welcome.
Sir, hello. 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 Am I audible?
Yes.
Uh,
Who's that? The name?
Hello, sir. I'm Dr. Ved Kumar Ghantaji. I'm also working in our hospital.
I
And
see.
I am actually, yeah, so actually, I have arranged few meetings before also with Rukshada ma'am. And when ma'am told me that you are joining us, that I was so happy because I myself, I'm very much interested in theatrics and movies. And I like binge watch movies. Also, I do theater in my college from 4 years. So
Wow.
like, I have like very passionate about this all acting, direction. I personally like took some classes about for that. So I would like to ask you that how did you land up in the acting career? Like, what was your inspiration for that?
Hmm. So, yeah, growing up in Delhi, I kind of found out that I loved science. थोड़ा admit करने वाला हूँ यार, तुम लोग नाराज मत हो जाना, सच बोल रहा हूँ. I loved science, यार. I couldn't understand, मतलब biology में बहुत drawing करना पड़ता था. मैं नहीं हुआ भाई. I loved science, but एक थोड़ा सा problem था यार. वो problem ये था, mathematics नहीं handle कर पाता. अब आजकल तो there are a lot of variations. You can do this but not choose that. But mathematics was an indelible part. You have to get it part of science. So I had to choose and step out of science. And so I love how people who are associated with science, they break boundaries. Whatever is a boundary for a particular age, a time, you people who are associated with science, you go beyond it, and you create methods. So it's not by chance. You guys you find methods to consistently break it. So that's what I love. So at one point I saw that नहीं होगा यार, वो science नहीं हो रहा क्योंकि mathematics हो किया. और कहीं ना कहीं मेरे लिए expression बहुत जरूरी था. I didn't see myself doing the regular, right? Or acting मेरे लिए was an expression of myself. मतलब मैं बहुत छोटा था. Really funny story. We used to stay in Karol Bagh, and Karol Bagh बरसाती में हमारा घर था. And किराए का घर था, तो उसमें एक मुंडेर थी. There used to be a parapet like that. And though nobody's seeing us, but you know what I used to do while walking on that parapet? While walking, I would go down a little and then again come up and walk. Then I used to tell myself, if somebody is watching me from there, and कुछ नहीं था सामने, एक भैंस का तबेला था नीचे, तो भैंस दिख रही होगी. लोगों को ऐसा दिखना चाहिए कि ये ऐसा चल रहा है और ऐसे झुक रहा है, मतलब सीढ़ी है, थोड़ी देर सीढ़ी है, उसके बाद फिर उठ के फिर जा रहा है. So acting came out of my need to tell tales. Or it is a funny story that एक्टर्स को ना हम लोग किसी भी देखते हैं, जैसे मैं आप लोगों को देख रहा हूं, आई एम क्रिएटिंग सम स्टोरीज अबाउट यू, एंड वी एक्टर्स लव टू create unbelievable things, so that in that way we are very close to we are the imaginative part to what you people bring with your science. And so I'm happy that his son is good in mathematics. He speaks to mathematics like I speak English or Hindi. So he's studying computer science, है ना, और मैं उसके बीच बीच में कोई है तो मैं ऐसे करे ना उसके सामने लैपटॉप पे रहता हूँ, and I tell him what you see here. I said, why? I said, there's some digits like that. These are equations. I said, really? ऐसा लगता है कि डिजाइन में कुछ लिखा है. For you, like, you know, कुछ अजीब सा लगता है वो. So for me, acting is more like a world of creativity, and therefore, for me, whatever that I'm doing also is an extension of how many different ways can we live this life. You know, just to give you an example, you know, you people are from very different backgrounds, and then you became doctors, all right? And you're right at the beginning of your career. And I'm sure a whole lot of you had plans, you know, at this point. I'm sure you would have been preparing for your next level. Isn't that true? Right?
Yeah.
And guess what? Life has thrown, now you can look at it anyway. You can call it a spanner in your thoughts, or life has just given you a very, very interesting challenge. And, you know, it's the same thing that my son is going through. And I share this with him. Whole lot of life happens out of syllabus. You know, we are all used to a syllabus. ये plan किया था यार. And then we get very upset वो नहीं होता तो. ये plan किया था. And I tell you, as a creative person, life is completely creative. You may be a scientific person, but you are creative. That's why you reached where you have. And I promise you one thing. As you find your way through this, you will find unbelievable nuggets on this route, which will remain with you forever. And that is the magic and beauty of life. And so even though you may be, you know, say an MBBS, but those extraordinary experiences that you're carrying with you will add facets to you. And therefore, you know, for me, you people are scientific artists. You know, you are, you know, unreal things are being thrown up in front of you. So many things are in the world of supposition. All right, that's where you are at this moment, isn't it? आज कल खबर आई किसी की एयरबॉर्न हो गया है. अच्छा, एयरबॉर्न हो गया और कल के हाथ इतनी देर हो, अब कोई कह रहा है 21 दिन दो. Now just imagine, my friends, you know, for me this is welcome to life. This is welcome to life, because life does not have the formula we want it to have. And you, right at the beginning of your career, you're being introduced to life, so that you know right at the beginning that कोई भी आपको कहेगा अब तो फिट है, आप कहना really? Things can take many different turns, and you are getting जो हम लोग कहते हैं ना workshop, आपको workshop का मौका मिल रहा है. So even as you're preparing for your, and wherever it takes, you know, a few years from now, I will be meeting you at some other place, mostly at a party or something. ऐसे ही मत नहीं कि डॉक्टर साहब बताओ क्या प्रॉब्लम. But I'll be, you know, you will see that this entire period, pick up something amazing for yourself. In fact, Dr. Rukshada, you know, I was in the zone that I'm going to meet you, and I shot a video, which again, Dr. Rukshada will share with you. It was on. It's so simple to say that ये भी खराब है, वो खराब है. You know, हम लोग माहिर है ना. अरे यार क्या चल रहा है यार, क्या चल रहा है यार. तो ये जो चल रहा है यार कहते हैं, ये लोग सालों से चल रहा है यार कह रहे थे. You know, before मार्च भी चल रहा है यार. ऐसा नहीं कि मार्च के बाद लोग कह रहे हैं यार कमाल चल रहा है. नहीं यार चल रहा है. एक दुखी से. How come? हम लोग किसी भी मौके में दुख ढूंढ लेते हैं, अपसेट ढूंढ लेते हैं, एक कंप्लेंट ढूंढ लेते हैं. तो आज मैंने ना 10 चीजें बताई जो मुझे मिली इस पूरे टाइम में. So I'm inviting you, my friends, that मैं एक सबसे पहले तो ये जानता हूं कि आई कैन सी जस्ट विथ योर द स्पिरिट इन योर आईज कि you have taken on the challenge that you have taken on. But beyond that, each day ना आप एक हल्का सा एक लिस्ट बनाइएगा, the things that you take away very special from that day, and it'll be a very interesting thing that a few years from now when you know when you read it again you say, oh really, okay, that's what I thought at that point. और मैं बार बार ऐसा करता हूँ, आजकल तो ऐसा कोई नहीं लिखता, ऐसे करके कुछ ब्लॉग वॉग कर दो. So try writing a blog. That'll be very interesting. Try writing a blog each day. What you discovered, what you saw. It'll be a fantastic read for you. Don't do it for others. Do it for yourself.
These young people might actually understand the word journaling better.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. Even I understand that, Rukshada. So I'm 55.
So we have a few doctors from Nagpur as well. Nikita is going to say hi to us.
Hello, sir.
नमस्कार निकिता, कैसी हैं आप?
मैं अच्छी हूँ. I'm Nikita Kamble from GMC Nagpur. I'm currently an intern at GMC Nagpur.
Okay.
I wanted to ask you, how is your lockdown going? Because we are daily going to colleges and hospitals, no colleges, to hospital and getting exposed to patients, like in
Yes.
casualty, OPD.
Yeah.
We are getting exposed to patients. I always wanted to interact with patients and all, but now the condition is different.
Yes.
So, but I'm glad that I do not have to do work from home. So I wanted to ask you, how is your lockdown going? And what
Nikita,
did you do for your...
Yeah. Nikita, I'll tell you something. This
Yeah.
period, I'm a very restless person.
Yeah.
Very, very, very restless person. So my friends and people in my life, they are pretty surprised. मेरे जैसा आदमी जो कंटिन्यू, मेरी माँ बचपन से मुझे कहती थी कि मेरे पाँव के तले सरसों हैं. बचपन में हमेशा बाहर निकल जाता था. पूरी जिंदगी घूमता रहा मैं. 92 से I came down to Bombay, 8th of July.
Yeah.
What is the date today?
8th July, 9th July, 9th July.
अरे भाई, कल, yesterday was my anniversary. अरे वाह, कमाल है. Fantastic. चलो आज आपने याद दिला दिया. तो 8th of July 92 I came down to Mumbai. And उसके बाद यहाँ पर आके कुछ साल के बाद, उसके बाद I started working down south. So continuous घूमना, मतलब 18 days a month. उसके बाद से, for my talks and workshops, again traveling all the time. Last 3-4 महीने से मैं 5th March को वापस आया. I was in Goa. I did an event and I came back.
Yeah.
अब तक
9th July.
अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, 4 महीना. मुझे लगता है कि मैं नेवर इन माय लाइफ, जब मैं 2 महीने का रहूंगा तब भी इतने दिन कभी घर में नहीं रहा. Amazing. I'm so proud of myself there. मतलब, but it's funny thing. I'll just tell you. I kind of, in my mind, been in that conversation called I'm in lockdown. I've learned a lot in this period. Okay, I don't know about you because I मेरे नाम के अंदर ही विद्यार्थी लिख दिया है. मेरे पिताजी ने मेरे को गिफ्ट किया. So it is such a fantastic gift that he gave me. As a result, I'm extremely inquisitive. I love to learn, and I don't know other 3 very powerful words in my life. तो मैं खुलकर लोगों से पूछता हूँ. And then I have this wonderful friend. I don't know आप लोगों के पास है कि नहीं. I have this friend Google. तो मैं Google से कुछ भी पूछता हूँ और वो कुछ ना कुछ मेरे को ना सिखाता है. मुझे कुछ कोर्स खोल देता है, मुझे कुछ वीडियोस दे देता है. And so it's been a phenomenal time for me. To be very honest, I'm one of the very few people who's not been binge watching the Netflixes of the world. But I've been binge reading, I've been binge creating, and binge learning technology. How do you like my office color? Green screen. I learned that. Okay. And it's so interesting. There's so much to learn in this entire period. So, so this has been a period of learning, and that's how I have also trained my mind to think. Because let's face it, my friends, there is nothing called reality. What you say is your reality. And अगर हम लोग कभी बहुत कंप्लेन करना चाहें, फिर भी नो प्रॉब्लम. मतलब मैं अगर आपको पता है मेरे को ये प्रॉब्लम है, फैजल मेरा ये चक्कर सलोनी पता है, आई एम गोइंग टू, थोड़ी देर बाद सलोनी, शिफा और ये लोग सब पैदल चले जाएंगे, वो प्रॉब्लम हमारे साथ ही रह जाएंगे। अरे कोई सुनो भाई, मेरी प्रॉब्लम सुनो। सो आई हैव नोटिस दैट I choose to fill my life, my day with something that I feel great about. In fact, I use a very interesting word. You may have heard it a couple of times. I call it interesting. Every day for me is an interesting. I look for something new. Let's have something interesting. तो वो दाल चावल हो या बढ़िया सा गोश्त बिरयानी हो, पर वो इंटरेस्टिंग हो। अरे नहीं यार, खाना खा लिया। अरे खाना नहीं खाया भाई, इंटरेस्टिंग कुछ खाया। So today also, I'm here for an interesting conversation with a set of very interesting people. So I look at each day as something which is unique. And that is something which we can gift ourselves. We could be at home, we could be at work. And I'm so happy to hear that you always wanted to, be with, interact with your thing, and you're doing that. वाह निकिता। और कुछ ये वहां पर ऑरेंज संतरे का मौसम है क्या?
वो पूरा टाइम रहता है।
नागपुर में मेरे बहुत करीबी दोस्त रहते हैं, दिनेश आचार्य, बहुत बहुत प्यारे दोस्त हैं। उनके घर में बीच बीच में जाके ऐसे ही पड़ जाता हूँ। अभी तो बहुत दिनों से नहीं गया नागपुर।
हमारे पास एक और डॉक्टर है नागपुर से।
हाँ, कौन है?
Hi sir, myself Pradeep Shimple.
How are you, Pradeep?
I am good sir. सर मैं भी यहाँ नागपुर में सर इंटर्न हूँ फिलहाल।
अच्छा।
तो हाँ सर, नागपुर में तो सर कोविड का इतना लोड नहीं, फिर भी हर दिन पेशेंट जाना आना, तो लॉकडाउन जैसे तो कुछ लगता नहीं यहाँ, मतलब डॉक्टर के लिए तो एटलीस्ट। बट जब भी सोसाइटी में आप देखते हो तो अलग ही घबराहट सा माहौल रहता। देन उनको ट्रीट करने के साथ साथ सर उनको एक गाइड करना भी एक अलग ही मजा आता सर उसमें, रियली। हाँ सर। सर आई एम किन
बहुत अच्छी बात बोली प्रदीप। प्रदीप आपने बहुत अच्छी बात बोली कि दैट इज द सो मेरे बहुत अच्छे डॉक्टर मित्र हैं, और मैं इसलिए मतलब आजकल अलग अलग तरह के इंसाइक्लोपीडिया होते हैं ना। आजकल एक व्हाट्सएपीडिया जो है,
जी सर,
आप लोगों को मिलता है वो व्हाट्सएपीडिया।
एग्जैक्टली सर,
व्हाट्सएपीडिया पे कमाल की खबर। तो मैं उनको तो मेरे दोस्तों को वार्न कर दिया, मैंने कहा बॉस अगर तुम एक भी व्हाट्सएपीडिया से कोई लेटेस्ट मुझे राय दोगे मैं तुमको ब्लॉक कर दूंगा। तो मेरे कितने भी अच्छे दोस्त, बट वेरी लकी आई हैड सम वेरी गुड डॉक्टर फ्रेंड्स। तो वो कुछ बहुत सीनियर पोजीशंस में हैं, कुछ इधर उधर सब है, उम्र हो चुकी है हमारी तो सब लोग इधर उधर पहुंचे हुए हैं। तो वो लोग बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें बताते हैं इसके बारे में, और मैं उनमें से एक चीज आपको बताना चाहता हूं। वो बोल रहे हैं कि आशीष वी में बी वेरी वेरी सीनियर बट वी आर डीलिंग विद दिस फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम।
एग्जैक्टली सर, एवरी टाइम। एंड
इसलिए बहुत जरूरी है कि आप अपनी समझ को यहां पर इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं। पता है, इट इज नॉट जस्ट योर, क्योंकि मेडिसिन तो वो अभी डेवलप ही हो रहे हैं, बट आप अपनी समझ, जो आपने कहा कि लोगों को मेक पीपल अवेयर ऑफ थिंग्स, व्हाट आर द हैबिट्स दैट दे नीड टू पुट इन प्लेस। एंड एट दिस पॉइंट हम लोगों की ये समझ है, तो ये साइंटिफिक वे ऑफ थिंकिंग, साइंटिफिक वे ऑफ बिहेविंग, मेरे ख्याल से वो रोल आप लोगों का गजब है, बिकॉज यू विल बी ऑन अ डेली बेसिस इंटरैक्टिंग विद देम।
Yes.
And I personally feel जब तक एक डॉक्टर जस्ट अराउंड, जब वो सबलिमिनली वो एक बात को कहना शुरू करता है, वो सबलिमिनली उनके अंदर बैठ जाती है। नहीं तो मेरे ख्याल से दैट यू हैव वंडरफुल अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड अ फैंटास्टिक रोल यार।
यस सर, थैंक यू। वही सर, सब फैंटास्टिक लगता है जब अपन 24 आवर्स की ड्यूटी करते हैं एडमिशन डे वगैरह पे, देन 24 आवर्स के बाद भी अपने अंदर जो स्पिरिट रहता है जो नए पेशेंट को देखने का, वो देखकर सैटिस्फैक्शन हो जाता है कि यार नहीं, वी आर डूइंग समथिंग रियली अमेजिंग सर।
क्या बात है बंधु, वाह वाह, आई लव दिस। 24 आवर्स की ड्यूटी के बाद भी वो एक्साइटमेंट रहेगा, मतलब वाह दोस्त वाह। सो वेरी प्राउड, सो वेरी प्राउड।
थैंक यू सर।
वाह वाह, क्या बात।
Hello, sir.
Namaskar, Krishna.
Sir, myself Krishna. I'm lucky to have you, sir. I am from GMC Latur, sir. Ritesh Deshmukh ka gaon, sir.
अच्छा, स्वागत।
Sir, we are not facing actually much of the COVID. We all are doing enthusiastically the work. I am feeling very lucky to have you and working for the society, sir. And actually, I am going to ask you, sir. We all have surely have the struggling or the bad phase in the struggle and life. So how would we like to take expectations versus the acceptance in the life, sir?
Hmm. Very, very good question, Rina. So, life has no script. Life is fully improvised. You should have an expectation अगर script है तो.
Yes.
A, B, C, D के बाद है?
Yes, sir.
क्या नहीं A, B, C, D
E. Yes.
कंफ्यूजन नहीं है ना किसी को? ये स्क्रिप्ट लाइफ नहीं है भाई साहब. A, D, F, N, E, D को टूटा टेढ़ा कुछ हो सकता है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अगर आप दिमाग में क्लियर कर दो स्क्रिप्ट नहीं है. आप समझ पा रहे हैं? अब आप उसको एक्सपेक्ट करोगे नहीं यार स्क्रिप्टेड है, उसके बाद तो दिल टूटेगा, है ना? So very important part is the plan. Work hard on your plan. But then you are a doctor. I mean, nobody knows it better than you guys, huh? एक सिम्टम का जाएगा, एक सिम्टम का एक ही डायग्नोसिस है क्या? It means many, right? Can you imagine the number of parts that are happening? नहीं ये हो रहा है उसके साथ क्या? अच्छा even that's what you gain with experience, right?
Yes.
You will correlate different things. Maybe किसी का उनके आप हाव भाव देखोगे या वो कैसे फील करता है. You know, all those things add up, right? Welcome to life, my friend. It's exactly like that. The only difference is that, you know, in terms of diagnosis and life का ये है, life is a continuous moving story. Life is continuously, it's a moving story and you are part of it. So even as you are moving from one thing to the other, the one thing that I have discovered, and just I may share that with you, जो करो कमाल करो उससे आगे निकल दो.
सही है.
You know, उसको लेकर बहुत ज्यादा दिल पे मत लगा के रखो, बहुत दिल में दर्द होगा. You know, whatever you do amazingly well and don't do it for others. किसी और को किसी nobody cares. मैं बताया ना आपको, सबसे पहले याद रखिएगा, आप कुछ कर रहे हैं लोग थैंक यू नहीं बोलेंगे तो क्या? See, I'll tell you, I do things for myself. I don't do anything for my wife. I don't do anything for my son. I'm not doing this for you also. I'm doing this completely for myself. It's my honor and privilege that I'm here.
Yes.
So I'm not doing a favor to Dr. Rukshada or anyone or no one. I'm doing it for me. I don't do anything for my daughter, for my wife, for my son, for my anyone. I do it only for myself. It's my honor and privilege that I can be of service. All right. So once you have that in place, और ये बहुत interesting है दोस्त, then you will not do it for other. इतना किया मैंने तुम्हारे लिए और तुमने ये नहीं करेंगे भाई, उन्होंने नहीं कहा था, है ना? उन्होंने नहीं कहा था आपको. So once you have that clear in your mind that this is my game, I'm doing it for me, then you will find the journey very light.
I am playing for myself.
Pardon me?
I am playing for myself as a game.
Yes.
Okay.
And that's a privilege of you, my friend. मतलब ये ऐसा नहीं कि आप बोझा लेके करोगे मैं इतना कर रहा हूं दुनिया के लिए, तो बड़ा बोझा ही रहेगा. हंसते खेलते करो. Enjoy that. You and I are lucky to be alive, my friends. And somebody like you are lucky that you have learned, you've come into this science. You're qualified. You know, you are one of the very, very few. हम जैसे लोगों को साइंस कर ही नहीं पाए भाई. हमें भी इच्छा होती है, हम लोग ऐसा नहीं कर पाए. अब आपके पास हुनर है. Now you are living each of your days fully. You know, whatever that you want to do. So that's a fantastic thing, you know, and this one thing which I would want you to look at. In how many more ways can I use myself in life? How many more ways? So keep looking and you will find some very, very interesting. Keep following your passion in between all your work. Huh? Make this journey rich for yourself. And then you will enjoy it. Yeah, Krishna?
Yes, sir.
I think Richa's trying to say hi, but her connection is not very clear. Can you hear us, Richa?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I can.
Yes, I can hear you now. How are you, Richa?
Good,
Namaskar.
good evening, sir. This is Dr. Richa Tiwari. I'm from Mumbai, from Cooper Hospital. And first of all, I would like to say that it's a great honor to be talking to you like this. And I'm really thankful to Ruksheda ma'am who arranged all of this, and I'm really, really grateful. So, sir, basically, I wanted to know from you, what is your success mantra? Like, what do you always like to follow, even if you have failed? I mean, all of us have failed, right, sir?
Yes.
And plus, since you know that we've just begun our career, so we'll be facing a lot of that, of failures, deaths, and everything. So, how to actually keep going? I wanted to know from.
See, now I'll just connect it from the past thing. First of all, this is your game. Okay? It's your game. There is no reality, Richa. कोई रियलिटी नहीं है कि ये करेक्ट स्टेप है, वो गलत स्टेप है, कुछ नहीं. किसी को भी पूछो, बताओ मैं क्या करूं, कुछ नहीं होता. So remember, you can not take the right step, but you can make your step right. There is nothing called ये correct चीज है. I should do this. I should not. Whatever you're doing, choose that. उसके बाद एक बार choose कर दिया ना, अब उसको आप लगे रहो उसको amazing करने को. One thing which really inspires me, and I will share that with you. Whatever that I do ना, I do that मैं उसको extraordinary करता. Now it could just be a conversation that I'm having with you guys. It's worth my life. You know, my life is at stake at this moment. You getting a sense of what I'm sharing? So it doesn't matter. Secondly, a very key part, and you people will be dealing with it. You already dealt with it. You will now deal with it more. It's something called log kya kahenge. Wonderful thing. What will people say? अभी गाना गाना कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना, छोड़ो निनार की दातों में, कहीं छूट न जाए रहना. Never ever get determined by what people are saying. कोई तारीफ करता है, कहो थैंक यू. कोई बुराई करता है, कहो थैंक यू. करो वही जो तुम करना चाहते हो. मैं आपको एक अजीब सी बात कर रहा हूं. People will question you. People will say, आपको ऊपर पहुंचा देंगे ना, एक्टर्स को ऐसा पहुंचा, अरे सर आप कमाल हो, सर आप अल्टीमेट हो, उधर हो, निकलो, उसका चले जाते. एक्टर अपने को वहीं पे खूंटे पे बांध के चले जाता है. आई एम टू गुड. तो भूल गए लोग. So remember, success will also put you at a pedestal, and then you'll fall. आपको कुछ नहीं हुआ, आप ऐसे ही चल रहे थे, लोगों ने आपको चढ़ा दिया. Similarly, लोग आपको घेर देंगे, अरे कुछ भी नहीं यार, you're a failure. ठीक है, चलने दो. Remember, you are your ally. अगर कभी भी ऐसा थॉट है कि मैं खत्म हूं, ask yourself the direct question, अच्छा लग रहा है क्या ये सोच के कि मैं खत्म हूं? अगर अच्छा लग रहा है तो कीप इट, मैं खत्म हूं. अगर अच्छा नहीं लग रहा छोड़ दो, क्योंकि रियलिटी नहीं है. यू नो, आप लोगों को वो होता है ना, कुछ होता है ना, क्या कहते हो,
ECG, ECG, electrocardiogram.
अरे कार्डियोग्राम, वो जो कार्डियोग्राम जब तक चल रहा है तब तक पिक्चर बाकी है बॉस. ओके, बाकी इन सब चीजों में अपसेट हो जाना, लोगों ने ये कहा, आई हैड थॉट ऑफ दिस हैज नॉट वर्कड आउट, कोई टेंशन नहीं है. रिमेंबर, देयर आर मेनी वेज, many ways. If you keep looking that way, then this is the only way. हटाओ, अरे यार, अच्छा, इतने सब ways है. Now through my life, I have reinvented again and again. You know, I started off as a theater actor, then became a Hindi film actor, then I started working in 10 other languages. And then over the last 6 years, 7 years, now I've been, you know, interacting and creating, conversations and workshops with groups of people. Now I am reinventing myself. I am finding new ways to live my life. I'm still the actor. वो मैं acting भी चल रही है और ये भी चल रहा है, ये भी. So remember of yourself, Richa, and I want this for each one of us. We are also. अपने को also समझिए. What else am I? And as you find, so I'm also an actor, also a traveler, also a communicator, also a son, also a father, also a brother, also a photographer, also I love to eat, also all those alsos. And as you create your alsos, you will see that each day there'll be some part of that also which is telling you that you are a winner. There will be days, I have had days, career kuch nahi ho raha, khatam ho raha hai, lekin kuch aur chal raha hai. So you give yourself hope, my friend. Create facets for yourself, and in those facets, create victories for yourself. Because those victories, you need to have victory. If you just create nahi, ek hi cheez hai, nahi ho raha, then you will just hurt yourself and you'll hurt your family. Not worth it. Kimaya, you can just put it on mute. There's some sound coming from you. Aye, what's...
Shraddha, you want to say hi?
Yeah, hi. Hi, sir. This is Shraddha Ekal Devi from Nair Dental. I'm currently doing internship at Nair Dental Hospital.
I see.
I stay in Thane, and I just want to say that you are a great speaker, sir. I have just saw your video on YouTube regarding the vulnerability. You had a TED talk about vulnerability, and I just loved it. And somewhere I felt connected, and I'm very inspired by you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Feel free to watch some other videos. There are quite a few interesting ones.
Sure, sir.
So
just also another thing, I wanted to tell Richa. Is Richa there? Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
I have an interesting connect with, if I may share that.
Yes.
So when I started my career, I was doing a first film called Drohkal, and we used to shoot at Rajkamal Studio. और वहां पर ना there was a shot in Drohkal जिसमें I won the national award for that. There was a shot जिसमें ना मैं ऐसे कर सर मारा था मैंने. उसकी कहानी बाद में बताऊंगा कि क्यों मारा था, but anyway. I wanted to act like Robert De Niro in Raging Bull. वो ऐसे मुक्का खाता था ना, उसकी आंखें ऐसी होती थी. तो मैं कहता था ऐसा मैं भी दिखाऊंगा. But I forgot that कैमरा बहुत दूर था. तो खैर मैं 2-3 बार मारा, हो गया. Then I took my bike, reached DN नगर. वहां पर मैं अपने घर में फोन कर रहा था दिल्ली में. एक टाइम के बाद ना हाफ रेड हो जाता था, तो वहां पे मैं फोन कर रहा था. Suddenly I discover a policeman is slapping me and I am seeing the ceiling. मैं नीचे गिर गया था. मुझे तो ड्रग लेता है. मैं कहा ड्रग लेता है, हुआ क्या? मुझे खड़ा किया. I don't again I kind of collapsed. He took me to Cooper Hospital. There again I collapsed. So I had epileptic hits because there was a clot in my head after that hit. So that is one time that I went to Cooper very early in my life. And then of course I was shifted elsewhere, but then I was on this medicine. I think it's called Eptoin or something. Doctors would know Eptoin.
Yes.
And can you believe it? I'll just also share this. Right at the beginning of my career, आगे जाकर मैं बहुत काम करना चाहता हूँ. डॉक्टर ने मुझे जब रिलीज किया तब मुझे वो बताते हैं कि ठीक है, नाउ इट्स ऑल राइट, बट जस्ट बी केयरफुल. 2-3 चीजों को आपको अवॉइड करना है. मैंने कहा क्या क्या चीज? एक है ब्राइट लाइट्स अवॉइड करिए. मैंने कहा अच्छा, अब मैं करियर की शुरुआत कर रहा हूँ एक्टर. मैं कहा अच्छा सर, और क्या? दूसरा, किसी भी जगह पर ना आप देखिए कोई फास्ट चीज में आप ना खड़े मत हो. मैं देख रहा हूँ भाई, मैं तो एक्शन करूंगा, सब कुछ करूंगा. तो ये सब चीजें. So what was interesting is that right at the beginning of my career, when I had that jolt, so you're filled with scare, you have a lot of dreams and aspirations, but somebody is telling you that you need not do it. And what I discovered in life is that as long as you can be responsible for your dreams and take care of yourself, you can go out and create a lot of stuff. All right?
That was really beautiful, sir. Thank you so much for inspiring all of us.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया रिचा. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, sir. I'm Dr. Simran Prabhakar. I'm from KEM Hospital. I'm doing my internship over there.
Wow.
I've also been the citizen journalist of Mumbai in CNN IBN for the student section.
Wow.
And I have like grown up watching your movies, especially Ek Aur Ek 11. I know you as the famous Cobra Kid. So as everything, it's been so serious. And the latest, I know your voice as Scar in The Lion King. So I would request you to just tell one dialogue of that Scar, because I want to, it would be really fascinating
that?
to
Yes.
hear your voice as Scar.
Mufasa.
So I would request you to just tell one dialogue for
मैं
that.
आपको एक ना बिगिनिंग में बोल रहा हूँ, मुझे याद है वो गाना, मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ, एकदम याद नहीं है, मतलब अभी मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं, लायन किंग में आई हैव संग दैट सॉन्ग आल्सो.
Okay.
मुफासा तो कल का संदेशा है. Da da
Wow.
da 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 da. अरे यार, if I have the lyrics, I would have sung it यार. आप मुझे थोड़ा सा बता देना. Wow. By the way, this is the first time somebody's asked me for that. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. It was an amazing song, very difficult to sing, and thanks to my dear friend Sunaina Dasgupta, Sunaina Sarga, she she coached me in that song. In fact, I was first called for Scar to sing that song, and after I sang that song, they said, "Why don't you do that, the entire voice?" So that was very, very interesting. But thank you so much. I'll always remember this. This is the first time ever anybody's asked me to say something about Scar. I promise you, I will. Okay, so I will look up the dialogues and I will send it to Dr. Ruksheda. Since you have done that, I will do that. All right, Dr. Ruksheda, you may just remind me on this.
I will not leave you. Don't worry.
Thank you.
You have Shifa. You want to say hi?
Yeah, hello, sir. Hello, good evening, sir. My name is Shifa Sheikh. Actually, I'm an intern in Naya Dental. But I had done my UG from Igatpuri, so it's a nice place. But I wanted to come back home, so I'm home doing COVID duty at Nayar. Okay, so basically, I wanted to ask you about is all of us medicals, we know we have a different perspective and outlook over how the pandemic is going on. So like, you people who are like not non-medicals who don't know, so I would like to ask you, how do you look over it? Like, you watch news and everything going on, so how scared are you, or you not?
Yeah, so you said the word, Shifa. There's a lot of scare.
Yeah.
And I've always felt that wherever there is absence of knowledge, there is scare. All right, so that's a fact of life. Now add to it that even scientists don't know about it. All right, so there's a lot of gossip. But I'll tell you something very interesting which has also happened. And I somewhere I have noticed that अगर आप देखें कुछ दिनों में वो फेक जो दवाइयां होती थी ना, उनका फॉरवर्ड बंद हो गया है. नाउ लोगों ने भी देखना शुरू किया, ये सब ये कुछ होता नहीं है भाई. ये तो अभी जो हो रहा है ना, अभी लोग डरे हुए हैं कि आगे क्या होगा. सब लोग ज्यादा डरे हुए हैं कि इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन क्या होने वाला है. एंड समहाउ फॉर मी दैट इज अ मैटर ऑफ ग्रेटर कंसर्न, क्योंकि we agree that probably the vaccine will not be here till 2021, okay, whenever, February, March, or whatever, but people will need to get back into action. Now it is very important that people get certain systems in place, जिसके लिए मेरे ख्याल से अब बहुत जबरदस्त एजुकेशन जरूरी है. और इंडिया जैसे देश में जहां पर इतनी हमारी संख्या इतनी ज्यादा है, how can we create systems and what kind of new kind of devices can be used so that we can manage our safety? So that is one thing which is, I think, a concern. Having said that, I think all of us, the fact that it is an unseen villain,
Yeah.
और जिसको तोड़ा नहीं जा सकता है इस दौरान, हम लोग बहुत घबराए हुए हैं. हम बहुत सारी चीजें मान भी ले रहे हैं. हाँ भैया, हाथ धो रहा हूँ, सैनिटाइजर लगा लिया, मास्क पहन लिया, दूर रख रहा हूँ, सब कुछ हम लोग हाँ हाँ करे जा रहे हैं क्योंकि हम लोग घबराए हुए हैं. सो डेफिनेटली ये चीज है. और बहुत सारा लैक ऑफ नॉलेज है, which I will not blame on anyone because science itself does not have much knowledge about it. But I definitely feel one thing that अभी जरा वो quacks वाली चीजें थोड़ी कम हो गई हैं, and people are realizing कि now we will have to follow certain procedures and get back into action. So that's what I see around me, Shifa.
So unfortunately, we've lost Kimaya. I think her network's really, really poor. And we have the last 5 minutes with you, as promised. So I'm going to keep it open and I'm going to tell everybody unmute your mics and go nuts and say whatever and say a goodbye. Or, we'll actually wait a little longer than the next 5 minutes if you want to Google the lyrics and sing us that song.
I don't think those, मतलब उसको ठीक से मैं कुछ करूँगा मैं आपके लिए.
ठीक है. That's good. We will add that in our videos.
इतनी जल्दी नहीं करूँगा रुक मैं बाद में भेजूंगा आपको.
So I wanted to ask you, Simran here, which is means you have done so many movies. I'm talking about the Bollywood movies, Hindi movies. Which is your most favorite character? Like that has inspired you and you would always love to do that.
I loved my film called Bollywood Diaries. अगर आप लोगों ने शायद देखी नहीं होगी, अगर आप देख पाए, it's available I think on couple of channels. It's called Bollywood Diaries. Very sensitive film और एक बहुत ही यूनिक स्टोरी है. इससे ज्यादा मैं नहीं बोलूंगा. It is about the कीड़ा. It's another कीड़ा, जैसे कोविड जैसा है ना, एक ऐसा कीड़ा है जो काट देता है लोगों को. Want to be part of Bollywood, and you wouldn't imagine the interesting script written by my late director K.D. Satyam. We lost him last year. In fact, कुछ दिन पहले उनकी बरसी थी. यंग डायरेक्टर, बहुत प्यार से उन्होंने इस फिल्म को बनाई है. आप लोग जरूर देखिए बॉलीवुड.
सर आपने अभी दो चीजें हमने मतलब आपने एड्रेस की. एक तो कि आपने 10-11 लैंग्वेजेस में काम किया अलग अलग मतलब इंडस्ट्री के. प्लस आपने कहा कि लाइफ में कई बार हम जो नॉर्मली हेलो
हाँ बोलिए वेद कुमार अगेन हियर.
हाँ तो आपने कहा कि आपने मतलब हमने भी आपको देखा है साउथ इंडियन मूवीज में, भोजपुरी मूवीज, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, मराठी, हर मूवी में. तो आपने 10-11 मूवीज में काम किया और आपने कहा कि आप हमेशा एक्सपेरिमेंट करना पसंद करते हैं. नॉर्मली जो हम हमेशा देखते हैं कि जो अननोन एरिया होता है, अननोन हमारा जो जहाँ हम कभी गए नहीं, जहाँ हमने चीजें ट्राई नहीं की, वहाँ एक तरह का हमें फियर होता है. तो आपने ये फियर को या फिर एंजाइटी को ओवरकम करके हर इंडस्ट्री में काम किया है और अलग अलग कल्चर्स में आपने आपका मतलब छाप छोड़ी है. तो आप इसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे? आपने कैसे अचीव किया है? फिर जो जब हम अननोन फील्ड में जाते हैं तो वहाँ हम कंफर्टेबल कैसे बन सकते हैं जैसे आपने किया? तो
सबसे पहले तो कंफर्ट मत ढूंढिए. कंफर्ट बहुत बोरिंग है. जोक्स अपार्ट, वेरी वेरी बोरिंग. मुझे तो एक्साइटिंग लगता है जब मैं कुछ नया कर पाता हूँ. सबसे पहले आई हैव पुट दैट वेरी क्लियरली इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी. एक्साइटिंग करूंगा मैं, बताया ना, लेट्स डू समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग. माय एंटायर थिंग इज लेट्स डू समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग. And it's not to prove to anybody else. It's just to keep the excitement there. Secondly, मैं आपको बताता हूँ, आप जब, what did I discover today is a very important part of my life. What did I discover today? So have an addition. Make an addition to yourself. मैं आज एक और चीज मैंने discover की अपने बारे में. वो मेरे ख्याल से is a good gift that you can give to yourself. I give that to myself each day. And so for me उतना बड़ा नहीं हूँ कि मैं अपने कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकलूंगा. बड़ा बोरिंग होता है. अगर कोई मुझे कहता है I know you do this, मैंने कहा अरे really you know me. मतलब और भी कुछ बहुत भी कर करता हूँ. Like have those aspects to yourself. It's interesting.
Yeah. Sir, Richa here again. I wanted to ask you कि at this point in time, do you think that you have achieved everything, or is there anything that you still want to achieve? And what would it be?
Amazing. I want to do so many different roles. I want to impact so many more human beings. So there is, at one end, I was, also an actor. So I'm also an actor. So there's amazing number of roles that I wish to do. And then in this new discovery of mine where, I reach out to people and create some interesting programs for them. It's amazing, when people meet me and they say that, that video of yours made a difference, or that workshop that you did for us. made a difference. So that's very fulfilling. Uh, uh, and then I'm a very passionate traveler. So I want to travel a lot, see a lot of places, and travel places with friends. I love to spend time with family and friends and connect with people and create interesting possibilities for people. I don't like to talk about the past. I love to create new memories with people, and I love to bring a smile to people's faces. So those are the things that I like to do.
प्रदीप हमें याद दिला रहा है कि वो दिन में शुरू उसने की थी, अभी वो रात पहुंच गया है। उसके प्रेम से हमें पता चला है कि अब हमारा वक्त जो है आपके साथ वो खत्म होने आया है। और हमने आपसे आधे घंटे की मोहलत मांगी थी और आपने हमारे साथ पूरा 1 घंटा बिताया है।
Absolute pleasure.
आपका शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं। बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके।
मैं जाते जाते रुक्षदा एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ।
जी सर।
इस वक्त मैं आपसे कहना चाहता हूँ थैंक यू, शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद बंधु।
थैंक यू सर।
न सिर्फ उन लोगों की तरफ से जिनको you have impacted. I want to thank you on behalf of their families. I want to thank you on the behalf of those thousands that you're going to be impacting through your life. All right. So I promise you, a lot of those people will not be able to come and say thank you to you. Okay, I am saying thank you to you. All right. I think Kimaya is here. If she wants to ask a question, Kimaya, do you want to ask a quick question?
Kimaya, I don't think.
I see her. I just see her.
Okay. Okay.
Kimaya,
I'm really
not a problem.
sorry because I had to
Kimaya, you know what I suggest? You turn off your video and then you can ask your question. Then your bandwidth will be good.
Okay.
Turn off your video and only on audio you may ask a
Hello,
question.
sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. So I am a fourth. Hello.
हाँ बोलिए.
Hello.
हाँ, we can hear
so
you.
I'm a fourth year student currently. I'm a fourth year MBBS student. And I want to share something that recently I have been working in this war rooms wherein we contact the patients on phone and we decide where that patient has to be treated. So at first, when I came to know about this concept of war room, I was not sure whether I should go out of my comfort zone of my house and whether I should work or not. But then I really wanted to do something for our community and for the nation. So I decided to go out and work in the war room. And later on, it turned out to be the best decision that I have ever made.
Wow.
And the work is very satisfying for me. So I want to ask you if whether you have had this experience in your life, whether you were not able to decide at first if you want to do that or not, but later on it turned out to be the best decision ever. And yeah, so that's what my question is.
So Kimaya, fantastic. What you shared was amazing, and it kind of is in line with a lot of things. You have taken, my life is filled with things that I say karu na karu karo or karke. So what you've just spoken about is that you took a call and then you made it right. Okay, so don't try to make the right calls. Make your call right. So fantastic. So my life is filled with numerous things. It can be anything, like for example, Dr. Rukshada reaching out through a friend of mine whose name is Shifa. And there are so many people who reach out to us, on these days that, can you do this? I had a 4 a.m. beginning of the day today. And then you say, Arey, kahan karoge? But everybody is doing some great work and, you want to be there. And then just as a lark, for me, I just say yes to some things. And once I say yes to them, then I give the most amazing, portion of me there. And I discover and I meet such extraordinary people there. So, Kimaya, my life is filled with such examples, and I'll tell you, your life already is. Just look at each one of your lives. You have taken so many calls which you said, karu ki nahi karu, karu ki nahi karu. Jo kiya, ab now you can make that amazing. मैं सिर्फ यही कहूंगा कि as you take those calls, remember, you guys are special. Each one of you is special. And, you know, you with your skills, you with your skill set, you with your abilities, you with your kindness, you're doing stuff that a whole lot of us, you save lives. Yeah, let's just face it. That small gesture of yours is adding to someone's life. Okay, we are very far away. Okay, you guys are in the thick of it. So really look at yourselves as life givers. And so it could be a phone call that you're making. It could be that one bit that you're doing that people are also cannot see. But always acknowledge yourself. Please never, ever, I take away your right to not acknowledge yourself. So keep giving a pat to your shoulders. Don't get arrogant about it. But be in grace of your own greatness. All right. So I'm kind of just saying thank you on behalf of my country. I'm saying thank you to you on behalf of the families, and remember, they're a human being. They're families that you have, because of you, who are safe. Children, mother, father, brother, extended families, my country, the entire world. So through you, remember, you are part of that huge community all over the world who are at this point, right at the forefront. And it's my absolute privilege that I'm there here with you. Thank you so much, Dr. Rukshada, for having invited me over.
My
And
pleasure entirely. And on this note, again, thank you so much for spending so much of your precious time and bringing so much of wisdom and joy and spreading positivity amongst our young doctors. These are our future healthcare providers. So I think we should be extra nice to them.
you've just brought future into the present, my friends. You're already in action. So super duper.
Thank you, sir.
Fantastic.
Thank you so
A round
much,
of
sir.
applause for all
Thank
of
you,
you.
sir.
Can we all
Thank
have a
you.
round of applause? Please applaud for yourself,
Yes, sir.
my friend. Please. I want all of you. Fantastic.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
on
you, sir.
behalf
Thank you so much.
of
Thank you so much,
Shukriya.
sir.
Thank you, Dr.
Means a
Rukshada, for
lot.
this entire effort. Thank you, each one of you. Thank you, Shifa. Thank you,
Thank you,
Nikita. Thank you, Saloni. Thank you, Krishna. Thank you, Shraddha. Thank you, Faisal. Thank you, Pradeep. Thank you, Richa. Thank you,
sir.
Vivek. Thank you,
Thank
Kimai.
you, sir.
बहुत
Thank
बहुत
you, sir.
शुक्रिया
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, sir.
Thank you.
बहुत
Thank you.
Thank you so very much. Appreciate it. Take care of
Yes,
yourselves.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Get in touch with me. We are available on our website, avidminer.com. Come look
Yes,
us up and send us a mail. I would love to know how you people are moving in life. Stay in touch. Thank you so much.
yes, sir.
Thank you,
बहुत
sir.
बहुत शुक्रिया आप
Thank
सबका.
you.
Carry on the
Bye,
good.
sir.
Proud of you.
Yeah.
Thank
Proud
you,
of you.
sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Good night, sir. Bye.
Thank you.
Good night.
Shivratri. Sleep well. Sleep well. Sleep well. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you so much.